In this question, we have to verify the product of A multiplied B plus C, that is equal to A multiplied B plus A multiplied C. Means we have to verify the associative property of multiplication of the three rational numbers, where A, B, C are three rational numbers. So we have to verify the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Let's take the left hand side. So left hand side is what? A multiply B plus C. Firstly, we will solve the left hand side. So left hand side, put the values of A, B, C. The given values. A is what? 5 upon 6 rational number. Multiply B is minus 4 upon 5. So I will firstly place the bracket. Then write the negative rational number inside. Plus C. C is again a negative rational number. Again I write it in the close bracket. And finally close with the square bracket. So these are the three rational numbers. And we solve. See, 5 upon 6 multiply here in the bracket B plus C, the sum of two rational numbers. The sum of two rational numbers, and the sum of two rational number is always a rational number. As in the case of addition, we have already discussed the properties in case of addition. The sum of two rational number is always a rational number. Firstly, solve the bracket. Minus 4 by 5 as it is. Now here, plus sign is outside the bracket and minus sign is inside the bracket. So here the operation plus minus, that the net result is minus. It becomes 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10. Right? Further solve this one. Now here, two rational numbers, negative rational number and again the negative rational number. We have to solve this bracket first. Now here the denominators are 5 and 10. In case of subtraction and addition, we firstly take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of denominator is what? 5 and 10. Starting from 2, 5 as it is, 2 5s are 10. Again 5, 5 1s are, 5 1s are. So the LCM is 2 multiply 5, that is equal to 10. That is equal to 10. So the LCM of these two denominators is 10. So write 10 in the denominator as a common denominator there. Divide this denominator by 5. The quotient is 2. When you divide 10 by 5, you will obtain 2, and which is to be multiplied with 4. Minus 4. That is 2 multiply minus 4. Then the sign is minus again. 10 divided by 10. The quotient is 1. Same number divided by itself. Number divided by itself. The quotient is 1. 10 divided by 10, 1, or multiply 7. Right. So 5 by 6 multiply, or solve the numerator first. Here is 2 multiply minus 4. Product of positive and negative number. 2 4s are 8 and plus minus minus. So here is minus 8. Plus minus minus. Minus 1 multiply 7. That is 7. Denominator is 10. The denominator is 10. Further solve it. 5 by 6 multiply. Now here the two numbers are, two negative numbers are there, and they are not multiplied together. Not multiplied together. To solve this one, just add the numbers and place the common sign. Place the common sign. The common sign is what? Minus. Just add them. Just add them. 8 plus 7, that is 15, and the sign should be negative because both the numbers are negative. right? And the denominator is 10. Denominator is 10, right? Solve it. Further, now here see, the two rational numbers are now multiplied together. Here the first rational number 5 by 6, which is to be multiplied with the sum of the two rational numbers. Now in this, the two numbers are now multiplied together. In the multiplication, multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominator together. The product of the numerators and the product of the denominators. So it will become 5 multiply minus 15 upon 6 multiply 10. What is the product? 5 15s are, 15 5s are 75, but here the number is negative, here the number is positive. So plus minus minus. So minus 75 upon 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. This is the product, or you can reduce this rational number to its lowest form, right? So with the help of 5, common divisor, 5 is a 5 12s are. This is again the equivalent fraction. Further divide it. 5 3s are 5. Oh, sorry, you can't divide this one. You can leave it over here. So you can divide it with the help of 3. 3 5s are, 3 4s are. Wait. So these are the equivalent rational numbers. This rational number, these are the equivalent rational numbers. Right? So this is A multiply B plus C. A multiply B plus C. Now we will see the right hand side. Right hand side, that is what? A multiply B plus A multiply C. A multiply B and A multiply C. Just substitute the values. A 5 upon 6 multiply B is minus 4 upon 5. So put in the round bracket. First, A is again 5 upon 6, which is to be multiplied with C. C is minus 7 upon 10. Enclosed in the scale bracket. Right? Now, these two rational numbers are multiplied together. So how to multiply? Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. The product of the numerators to the product of the denominator. 5 multiply minus 4 to the 6 multiply 5. 6 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply minus 7 to the 6 multiply 10, product of numerators to the product of the denominators, right? So further solve. 5 4s are, now positive and active number, again negative. 5 4s are 20, so minus 20. 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30 plus 5 7s are 35, and the number is negative because the product of the two numbers, one number is negative, another number is positive, so the result is negative. 6 10s are 60, 6 10s are 60, right? Solve it. Minus 20 upon 30 plus minus upon 60 upon 60. So here the two rational numbers, one rational number is minus 20 upon 30, another rational number is 35 upon 60. Now you have to take the LCM to solve it. again to solve, to take the LCM of 30 and 60. If I take the LCM, starting with 2, 15, that is 30, 2, 15 as it is, 2 15 is a 30. Now the second prime number is 3, 3 5s are, 3 5s are. Again finally with 5, 5 1s are, 5 1s are. So the LCM, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 60 is the LCM. 60 is the LCM. 60 is the LCM. Write the common denominator, that is 60. Right? Divide this 60 with 30. 32s are 60. So 2 is the quotient, which is to be multiplied with minus 20. So 2 multiply minus 20. 2 is the quotient of 60 and 30. Minus 60 divided by 60, 1. 1 multiply the numerator of the second rational number, 135 that is. Now solve it. 2 multiply 20, 40, and the sign is negative, positive and negative number. Minus 1 multiply 35, and you multiply the number with 1, you will get the number itself. Divide by 60. Divide by 60. Right? So solve it. Again the two numbers, minus 40 and minus 35, but they are not multiplied together. Just add them and place the same sign. 40 and 35. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. Sign is minus. And place the sign 60. So further simplify it into the lowest fraction. So on which table these two numbers can be divided. So with 15, if I take 15, 15 5s are 75 and 15 4s are 60. So it will become minus 5 upon 4 when divided by 15. When you divide the numerator by 15, 15 5s are 75, 15 4s are 60. So this is the equivalent rational number. Both values are same. These are equivalent rational numbers. Right? Equivalent rational number means when you multiply the denominator and numerator with the same number, you will get to the equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number. In case of fraction, if you multiply the numerator and denominator, you will always get the equivalent fraction also. Right? So see the value minus 5 upon 4 in this case and 5 minus 5 upon 4 in this case. The two values are same. Both the values are same. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right? Therefore left hand side is equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Find the multiplicative inverse. Next question is find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. First is 15 upon 37. 15 upon. So we have to find the multiplicative inverse. Students, multiplicative inverse is what? It is the reciprocal. It is the reciprocal of the rational number. It's the reciprocal of the rational number. Right? So reciprocal means to interchange the numerator and the denominator. To interchange the numerator and the denominators. Just क्या करना है आपने इसमें numerator और denominators को change कर देना है. So the multiplicative inverse inverse of 15 by 37 is to interchange is 37 upon 15. It's 37 upon 15. So it is the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of rational number 15 upon 37. Just interchange the positions of numerators and denominator. Numerator and the denominator, or just the, or it is called the reciprocal. Reciprocal means interchange the numerator and the denominators, right? So this is the question number 1. Second part of this one is minus 21 upon 38. Minus 21 upon 38. Again, it's multiplicative inverse. A multiplicative inverse is of the given rational number, that is negative rational number. So whether it's a positive rational number or negative rational number, you simply interchange the numerator and the denominators. So the answer is minus 38. Don't write negative sign with denominator. Always express the denominator of rational number positive. So this will become 21. Minus 38 upon 21. So this is the multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number, multiplicative inverse of a positive rational number. Now take one more example of this one. Question number C part. We will take the C part of this. C part is minus 3 multiply 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4. We have to take the multiplicative inverse, but the product of the two rational numbers. हमें मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स निकालनी है, बट किसकी? प्रोडक्ट. जो प्रोडक्ट आएगी उसकी हमें मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स देखनी है. व्हाट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू रैशनल नंबर्स? द टू रैशनल नंबर्स. So firstly take the product. Minus 3 multiply 7 multiply 3 multiply 7 upon 4. Well, you can write 3 by 1, that is equal to the product of the two rational numbers, means the product of the numerators to the product of the denominators. So it will become minus 3 multiply 7 product of numerators to the product of the denominators. So it will become 3 sevens are 21, positive and negative number, negative. So it will become minus 21 upon 1 fours are 4. So this is the product. Firstly obtain the product. Now take the multiplicative inverse. So the multiplicative inverse of minus 21 upon 4, that is equal to, what's the multiplicative inverse of this number? Just take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means interchange the positions of the numerator and the denominator. So your 4 become your denominator and 21 become your 4 become your numerator and 21 become your denominator. So it will become minus 4 upon 21. So this is the multiplicative inverse of the product of two rational numbers. Let's take another question of this, because this property is very important. Four multiply 5 multiply minus 2 upon 3. Right? So firstly take the product, same steps. Firstly take the product. So product is 4 upon 5 multiply minus 2 upon 3, positive rational number and negative rational number. Same, place the product of the numerators to the product of the denominator. So it will become 4 multiply minus 2. Product of numerators 5 multiply 3. Product of the denominators. So the answer is 4 2s are 8. Positive negative number, then minus 8. Product of the positive number and the negative number is always negative. 5 3s are 15. So this is the product. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Always a rational number. Now the multiplicative inverse of minus 18 upon 5. This minus 18 upon 5 is the product of this two rational number. That is, so don't write equal, just put is. Right, is. Because these two values are not equal. So write is, that is 15 upon 8. 15 upon 8. 15 upon 8. So this is the multiplicative inverse of the product of two rational numbers. Right? Let's take another one. If I have a number 0, then I have to take the multiplicative inverse. If I have a number 0, multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist, means 0 has no multiplicative inverse, or you can say it has no multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Next is e part 75 upon minus 63, right? First express rational number 75 upon minus 63 with a positive denominator. With a positive denominator के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? We will multiply the numerator and the denominator by minus 1 to make the denominator positive. Firstly, express the rational number with a positive denominator. So what is 75 multiplied by 1? That is minus 75 upon 63 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 63 multiplied by minus 1. Firstly take the product, then minus minus plus. So the product of the numbers, two numbers with same sign is positive. Product of two numbers with same sign is positive. Right? So now take the multiplicative inverse. Now it's simple. Multiplicative inverse of minus 75 upon 63 is, that is minus 63 upon 75. Just interchange the positions of numerator and denominator. Just interchange the position of numerators and denominator. Right? So this is the multiplicative inverse of a rational number with negative denominator. Right? And you very well know about the multiplicative inverse of minus 1. -1 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? दैट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ -1 is always -1, right? So this is the multiplicative inverse. So these are the questions related to the multiplication of the rational numbers. Now we will take one more question in form of statement. So we will take a question. See the question. Multiply six upon 13 by the reciprocal of -7 upon 16. So multiply the two numbers, but you have to multiply 6 by 13 with the reciprocal of the second rational number. So the reciprocal means the multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal means the multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal of -7 upon 16. We don't multiply this rational number with this rational number, because we have to multiply this rational number with the reciprocal of this rational number. So reciprocal of -7 upon 16 is -16 upon 7, right? So you can write is, it's not, right? So this 16, this is the reciprocal. This is the reciprocal of the rational number, which is to be multiplied with 6 over 13. 6 over 13. Now 6, 13 or 13 multiply. What's the reciprocal part? That's -16 upon 7. -16 upon 7. So you have to multiply these two rational numbers. These two rational numbers. So given rational number, this is the reciprocal of the rational number -7 upon 16. So the product of the numerators to the product of the denominators, 6 multiplied -16 over 13 multiplied 7. So what is the product? 6 16s are 96. One number is negative, another number is positive. So the product is negative. So -96 upon 13 sevens are 7 threes are 21. To carry over, 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9. It will become -96 upon 91. This is the multiply of this rational number with the reciprocal. Reciprocal means -16 upon 7. -16 upon 7. So this is the another question. Now the last question. So to multiply the numbers in the numerator and to multiply the numbers in the denominator, so there are 4 numbers in the numerator and the 4 numbers in the denominator, right? So this product will take more time. As in case of 2 numbers, it's very easy to multiply the 2 numbers, but now here the numbers are 4. So for easy calculation, just cancel out the number. Let's see, if I have a number here 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So you can write, instead of -3 you can write -1, or instead of 5 you can write 5, because these two numbers are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Right? Now here is 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Right? And again, this 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. So you can reduce it to the lowest fractions. So it will become -1 multiply 1 multiply 7 multiply -2 multiply -2 over 5 multiply 1 multiply 5 multiply 2. Right? So it is easy to now multiply. So multiply 1 multiply 1 positive negative -1 multiply with again 7. So you can do it like -1 multiply -1, so -1 multiply, take the product of this one, then take the product of this one. 7 twos are -14, so this is -14 upon again 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. The product of the two numbers of the same sign is positive, so 1 multiplied by 14, 14 over 5 multiplied 10, 50. 5 multiplied 10, 50. You can further reduce it to the lowest form or its equivalent fraction. That's what. So the table of 2 is 14 is divisible and 50 is also divisible. So 2 7s are 14, 2 25s are 50. So this is the product. This is the product of the 4 rational numbers. This is a product of the 4 rational numbers.